if you look at what's happening in many parts of the world, okay, I know, for instance, in the US, things are almost back to normal. And although you keep hearing about surging cases, the good news is that those people are not getting hospitalized. So I think even media needs to now shift from just reporting the number of cases to reporting hospitalized cases. Otherwise it's misleading. You can't, it's endemic now. Let's face it. The pandemic has now become an endemic. You cannot completely get rid of any cases. But if you can get rid of hospitalization and severe cases and deaths, I think that's okay. But I think people are not getting the right information in the right manner. Today, I'm sorry to say, but media thrives on bad news. And so media would love to keep telling you, oh, there's a surge in this city, there's a surge in that city. Fine. There may be a surge, and there's likely to be a surge if there's going to be some football match or there's some match here and there and a lot of people are there. You're bound to get people who will get it. But are those people asymptomatic? Are those people mild and not getting into hospitals? That's the data you need to give. And I can tell you, in most of these cases where the country, like today I saw, for instance, okay, oh, Israel has vaccinated 85% of its people, but still they are seeing rising cases. Arre? What do you mean by rising cases? There might be few cases, increased numbers, but are they going to hospitals? Are they dying? Those are the questions to be asked, and they are not. They're all very mild and asymptomatic cases. Similarly, even in the US today, yes, there may be a number of cases being reported which are increasing. But if you look at those cases, they are all asymptomatic and mild. They are not, serious cases. Which means, but there are some places where they have not been vaccinated. Yes, there you can expect some serious cases. If there are any, like India still has to be careful because we don't have that huge amount of vaccination. So until you, like, I'm very confident that in Bangalore, for instance, by the end of July, we expect to vaccinate 80% of our adult population in Bangalore. Okay. I feel very safe with that number. And if I'm vaccinated, I feel safe. Because I'm not saying I will never get infected. I might get infected, but I know it's not going to be serious. So that's the data we really need to generate. And I think Bangalore will be very safe. We can open it up. And I would like to collect data on what happens to people who are infected. I know, at least in my circles, I know many of my friends who have been reinfected. Okay, either after vaccination or even after COVID. If they've had COVID 1 year ago, they've again got the vaccine, maybe they have tested positive. But none of these people have had severe disease. In fact, 90% of the people who have tested positive have had asymptomatic disease. And after a week of, having COVID, they've all got over it and no problems. So that gives me the confidence that we can come back to normalcy sooner than later.